Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, find n if 2 to the power 200 minus 2 to the power 192 into 31 plus 2 to the power n is a perfect square. So 2 to the power 200 minus 2 to the power 192 into 31 plus 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 192 into 2 to the power 8 minus 31 plus 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 192 into 256 minus 31 plus 2 to the power n, that is 2 to the power 192 into 225 plus 2 to the power n. Now, for some m belonging to n, 2 to the power n is equal to m squared minus 2 to the power 192 into 25, or m squared minus 2 to the power 96 into 15 whole squared, that is equal to m minus 2 to the power 96 into 15 into m plus 2 to the power 96 into 15. So m is equal to 2 to the power 96 into 15 is equal to 2 alpha, and m plus 2 to the power 96 into 15 is equal to 2 to the power alpha plus beta. Now, for some negative integers alpha beta, 2 to the power 97 into 15 is equal to 2 to the power alpha plus beta minus 2 to the power alpha, that is 2 to the power 97 into 15 is equal to 2 to the power alpha into 2 to the power beta minus 1, and from here we get 2 to the power 97 is equal to 2 to the power alpha, and 15 is equal to 2 to the power beta minus 1. So from here we get alpha is equal to 97 and beta is equal to 4. So n is equal to 2 alpha plus beta, that is equal to 2 into 97 plus 4, that is 198. The correct option is option C. The next question is, consider the expression a square plus a plus 1 into b square plus b plus 1 into c squared plus c plus 1 into d squared plus d plus 1 into e squared plus e plus 1 by a, b, c, d, e, where a, b, c, d and e are positive numbers. Then what is the minimum value of the expression? Now, the least positive number is 1, and its square and all its powers are equal to 1. So for the denominator it would be least when equal to 1, and numerator also we need to take a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to d is equal to e equals 1. So only when this condition is satisfied will we get the minimum value of this equation or this expression. So it becomes 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 by 1, that is 243. So the minimum value of this expression is 243.